Amazon is the gift that keeps on giving. Besides them not paying taxes, love Amazon. Anyway, so it looks like Amazon has launched a technical academy for their employees. Looks like it's 100% free. It does appear that they invested about $700 million for equipment, and more than 100,000 Amazon employees will be new, professional, skilled software developers by 2025. I think it's great, and it looks like they're only requiring either a high school diploma or a GED. And yeah, it's only 9 months long. And one of the best perks about this, and one of the strongest data points that they have, which I think is great, them being a software company and also an online realtor, they can do this. It says Amazon Technical Academy has placed 98% of its graduates into software development engineer roles within the company, and their salary and compensation packages increase. So your pay increases on average 93%. Applicants accepted into the tuition-free program receive a stipend to cover living costs and subsidy to remain in their benefits plan. So they cover the entire cost of living while you're going through this program. I think it's great. I think it's incredible. I'm very glad that Amazon is finding ways to give back, I guess, to society, since, they really weren't paying taxes all like that. That's the least they can do is, strengthen the job market and the tech industry, which is, in my opinion, is one of the most important industries because, as technology goes forward, it's kind of like the new industrial, revolution is tech. So let me know what you guys think. I love technology because people use it. It breaks. People need someone to fix it, and there are different levels of problems that could be solved, and that's where we can take advantage of that because colleges really aren't on top of their game as far as teaching, tech skills, whether it's coding, whether it's software development, whether it's UX or UI design. The colleges have really not got a good grasp of teaching this to students and giving them skills that are applicable in the modern day work field. So let me know what you guys think about Amazon giving, the employees free program. They're hiring them. They're giving, they're on average 93% pay increase afterwards, and then they give them the stamp. You get stamped after this because you can go to a different company and they're like, oh, you worked for Amazon? You can go over to Google, go over to Microsoft. Amazon's a big fish. So you can go up there with the big dogs and become employed, with no degree. With no degree from just a high school diploma or GED. I think it's amazing. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below and hit the like button. You guys have a good day. Peace.